Hello guys, this is our Fabfitfun Summer box. This is my mom.
Hi everybody.
And Lucas. And she's actually already opened hers, but she kept all of her stuff to the side so we can compare, and she made no selections. So this is what happens.
Now I'm in the middle.
This is what happens when you get it, and it's a big surprise completely all around, but I did make some selections. And I actually also ordered something on the side. And I already opened it because I needed it, but this was $17 as the car air fresheners.
Nice.
So $17, and I got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. So it's like $1.70 a piece. And they're just absolutely so cute.
But you got one more in the car.
Yeah, the one in the car, because I couldn't wait. It's a sloth hanging with some coffee, and I thought that was perfect. It's perfect for me, because that's what I'm doing. I'm hanging in there and drinking coffee. Alright, so let's see your first item. While I open mine. See if I match your item.
First item I got
Ooh, what is
was
that?
a really nice desk mat. That's nice thick.
Oh, that's thick.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Wait, can I smell it? Oh, that smells good, Mommy. You have to smell this.
Oh my god. Oh, it smells new. Alright, I don't think I got the dust mask. Instead, I got, this is how it comes. It shows you the magazine first. Here you go. You can look at the magazine.
Oh, I want to look at it.
See if you can find my desk mat in there.
Okay. First one I got is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Exfoliant, Fat, First Aid Beauty. Bump Eraser? Oh! You know what this is for? This is for ingrown hairs. So if you shave for the beach and then it starts to bump the next day, you put this on it and it removes the bumps. Yeah.
Very nice.
Alright, what's your next item? I love Fabfitfun. It comes seasonal. You get 4 boxes a year, and it's like $200. It's more expensive when you buy it individually, though.
It was called the beach
Back
bag.
up, let them see.
Wet dry pouch for like when you go to the beach.
Oh
And
yeah.
inside it had
Let them see, sweetheart.
I'm
this
saying
other
hit the
zippered area
subscribe
for your
button
phone and
and
stuff to
comment
keep it
down
from getting wet.
I actually have this. That's why I didn't select it. See how cool this is? And I actually use this to go to the beach. I put my phone in there. That way, just in case if your stuff gets wet, it has the, yeah. So yay, so we now have matching bags.
Yay.
Comes in plastic bags.
Click the bell button.
I love it. It holds so much. Okay, here's my next item. I think this is the wrap.
Button.
Oh,
It'll destroy you. Hey!
I didn't do it.
It's so pretty. So I think this just wraps around you. It's like a beach wrap. Let me see if I can get it off really quick so I can show what it looks like. It feels pretty sturdy, the material.
That is good material.
Look at
Lucas, you don't have to sniff everything. So it's, I don't think it has any arm. It's just a wrap.
You know, you could wear that anywhere, like a scarf, and then when you get cold, put it around you. That's really cool.
How pretty is that? Very tropical. And I'm in Florida, so tropical is what we do.
Perfect.
And this will be great for going to like, I think of like going to the springs, going down the river and having this.
It'd be nice to be
button
able to
around
do
well,
when the
that's
restaurant's a little cold, too.
Oh yeah, like just like a over the shoulder scarf. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Lucas, you have to stop, child.
Go check on Grandpa.
It's Grandma's turn. Let's see what your next item of the day is.
I got, and I didn't take the strap off, this cool little, it
Oh,
almost looks like leather bag.
that is so pretty. Oh,
I made it rainbow.
He's playing with the The light setting.
You like the rainbow?
Very nice. Thank you, Lucas.
Wait, let me look at it.
And it's adjustable.
Oh, nice. How big is it? Oh, it's Samara. Sweetheart. They can't see very well if you're zoomed. You're taking the zoom away. Ooh, now it's changing colors. The lighting's gonna be crazy now. Alright, so you have the purse. What's my next item? Okay, I got the Lasting Smile Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. Wonder if we got anything in common or if they're all different.
That'd be interesting.
Ooh, it's just so light.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I like that.
It's so subtle.
I did that before and guess what?
Smells so good. Just the slightest citrus smell to it.
They feel like trash.
That'll be nice.
They feel like guns. I don't like guns.
So I got a KO body scrub.
Okay.
Ooh! Oh my gosh. How fun is that? It feels so cool. So rubbery.
Gummies are not.
It's got the little
So you
fingers
have-
to massage as you're scrubbing.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that is awesome. How cool is that? Let's see what the next item is. Okay, so I got this. It's for losing weight or exercising. I really need it, not to lose weight, but to tone my body. So I really want to work on my abs.
Toning is always good.
I'm always sitting at the desk, so I need to tone.
Maybe if I toned when I was your age, I wouldn't be the size I am now.
Oh my goodness, you can still get there, Mom. You just have to
I
push
know.
through it. It's just a whole lot harder once you lose it. So, I guess that. And then the handles, it comes in pieces. All right, I'll put this together while you show your next piece.
Nanny Moments. Made in a box duo with the nail file. And what it is I got the one nail file and several different flavors of scrub, recharge, and massage butter for your feet.
Those, I'll tell you from personal experience because I already have that. I think I got it from the last Fabfitfun box. It's really nice. Really, really nice. So here's,
Yeah, what about
and you just, as they show, they demonstrate here, you're on the ground, and then you just roll it out and roll it back in. See, you just roll it out and then roll it back in. Out and in. And you're supposed to work those abs while you're doing it, so I'm excited.
Now it's your turn.
Oh, okay. Look, I got the Tropical Trio. And I'll confess, I didn't get this in my box really. It's an add-on. I added this on because I saw it when I put my customizations in. You scroll through the add-ons,
pen?
and this was $3.99, and it's just floss. So it's like this special kind of floss. That is summer watermelon, car orange, and pure strawberry.
Dental floss?
Yeah, dental floss.
Cool.
So I thought that was like a nice little summer treat for teeth brushing, especially since I'm encouraging the kids to brush their teeth as much as possible. Ooh.
I got your same body polish as you showed first.
Oh, I showed that? No, this is not a body polish. This is a body scrub.
This is exfoliating body polish from a spa.
A spa. Fantastic. And here are the lovely stickers of the season, which we always get seasonal stickers, kind of showing the theme. I'm sure you got the stickers too somewhere.
I got the stickers.
Let's see what you got.
I got a necklace.
Oh, that's pretty. How does it fall flat, right? Yeah. Ooh, that is gorgeous. You love all of that. This is, I think this goes with this.
It looks like it. They look like the same flavor.
This is or hair pads, ingrown hair pads. So it's part of the same thing. Like I think you rub this on it after you scrub it, and then it's supposed to remove your ingrown hairs, or at least take up the mess. So it heals faster and you don't have to deal with the bumps as much. Oh, we got something similar. Here's the scrub thing that she pulled out. So I also have a rubber scrubber.
You're gonna have fun with it.
I'm gonna use this to clean my kids' feet. That's what's gonna happen.
I need a paper.
And then, do you have anything? What's that?
Multi-use storage duo.
I need a paper.
Ask Grandpa quietly. See, little storage here.
Those are cute.
Z Gallery.
Made in China. Let me open it for you. Ooh, it's porcelain, so you have to be careful. But that's nice. Look at that.
And they're both black.
Oh, it's
So
two
it's a
of
match
them.
set.
So a match set of two. That's beautiful. Oh, and then I'm sure you got this too. This is just one of the extras.
They never give me any extras.
You didn't get this?
I never have gotten any extras with my cat.
Oh, okay. Well, I know this is good too. This is it hydrates. You add it to your drink, and it's supposed to have all these extra vitamins and stuff. I'm surprised you don't get that. You have the annual subscription too, right?
Uh-huh.
It's so weird.
And I got one more thing.
What's
And
the
what
one
the
more
heck?
thing?
What? I don't know what it does.
Veg Glow.
Came in this cute little bobbler bar or something
Barbler
like that.
bar.
But it's got a little chain.
Okay, a little chain.
Little thing there. And another little chain.
What is that?
I don't know.
It
Is
has
that when you
3 chains hanging off of it.
I'm thinking when you get those little charms, you can hang them off of it. And that's all that was in there.
Okay, we're gonna have to look this up. It's just like, oh my gosh, I don't even know. That's so random.
And see, it's in bubble bar.
Bubble bar. I'll have to look it up. That's very interesting. Okay, so I got an Essentials Day moisturizer. So this is just a facial moisturizer.
Those are always nice.
It's Ahava.
It looks like it.
I'm horrible with pronouncing stuff. Ahava. And then, last but not least, I paid extra for this one. This was an option, but with this option, it costs an additional $10 because it's a little better than the typical option. Supposedly, this is like a $189 product that you're getting for only $10 extra for the choice. Because the whole box is what, $50? $49.99? That's if you get the subscription. If you don't get the subscription, what is it like? I don't remember. You'll have to look it up. And I'll probably have one of those, somebody tell me how it really is in the comments. But this is a blow dryer. A really
Nice.
fancy blow dryer. It's rose gold blowout hair brush.
We'll use a Flexi
Dryer
Bay on the
brush.
front.
Foxy Bay. See how it is. Comes with a velvet case. And then I know somebody who got the Revlon version of this, and it is amazing because you just brush your hair out while it's wet with this on, and it dries it, And not only does it dry it, but it's easy to manipulate those curls or whatever sway or bend you want your hair to go. So that is that. And I've been so excited to get this and then all the different settings.
I like the color too.
And the
Looks
rose
classy.
golds. So pretty. But that's our Fabfitfun boxes. That was it.
That was it.
Oh my god. It's like never ending funness. I love my Fabfitfun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Me and my mom. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.